We can help give time back to your experienced agents and create a smooth and easy onboarding experience for your tech-savvy new agents that might be of this younger generation. So let's talk a little bit more about that. So first, just accessing up-to-date and accurate information requires multiple system logins. Think about your agents having to navigate between NIPR, your agents or your back office staff between NIPR, your policy admin system, your AMS, or even an Excel spreadsheet in which some of this data lives. It requires manual data entry, reconciliation, cleanup. Worse yet, the data being collected and updated in one system never creates a blanket update across your other systems to ensure that all these systems have to be in sync. They have to talk to one another. They have to have consistent data across all of them. So just once you have the data, making sure that it's consistent and enabling all your business processes is a challenge we see a lot of agencies struggling with day to day.